Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, hi Shirin. Hi
Hi.
Fatih.
Hi, all.
Hi,
Hi Alexander. How are you?
fine, fine.
Hi Pankaj. I think you're on mute, Pankaj. Yeah. Akram is connecting the audio.
Hi. Yes, sir.
Hi Pankaj. How are you doing?
Yeah, good, sir.
All right. So where are you located?
From Maharashtra, Aurangabad.
All right. All right. Okay. Okay. And I think Akram is also joining, connecting to audio. Yeah. And
Close to you, sir.
okay. Okay. All right. Let's begin. So how everything is going on? Like I think Ankush is not available. His AI note taker is there. So Alexandra, how was your last week?
Fine,
Are you
thank you.
progressing on the goals?
Uh, yeah, a little bit.
Okay, okay, okay. Have you, I think there was some queries you have asked in the last meeting on JSON to video, and I think Shirin has given the answers, right? Was that helpful?
Yeah. That's okay. I tried. It was better. Yeah.
Got it, got it.
Yeah.
All
So
right,
I can play with all this. How to say mm, text? Yes,
got it,
different kind of text.
got it, got it. I hope even, yeah. So you can again share the feedback to Shirin, no worries. We can check our level best, right? Until you come to a good converging point, right, where it is best, right? So let us know if you need any help. So do you have any questions on related to make?
Regarding your okay, so maybe I'll uh, open. Yeah. Okay, first I have a question about your last project, yes, the new one. Yeah.
Okay,
Uh, I put it so I saw your video. Yes, so
okay,
just for now it's crazy for me to repeat it, but okay, maybe I will be asking some questions
got it.
and step by step, yes, I will manage with
Yeah,
this. Okay,
got it.
not this one,
So
yes,
this is step 4 actually. Yeah,
the
this
first
is
one.
step 1. Yeah.
Okay, the first question is here because, for example, I don't want to
Monday.
create. Yeah, I don't know this service. Yes. Okay. The first question: may I use, for example, Google Forms?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that case, let me take control. I'll just explain you. So
Mm-hmm.
give me control, please.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see here, if you type Google Form, so you can see the Google Form module here.
Mm-hmm.
So what you need to do, you need to use this module where watch responses. It's
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
simple. So it says triggers when a new response is received. So you need to use this, and
Mm-hmm.
ultimately you need to unlink this or delete them and
Mm-hmm.
connect to this. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
move
I
this
understand.
block. Yeah. So the only thing is like you see that there are some location where you see this yellow color, yellow bubble, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
that means we are using the mappings from this Monday module. So there, once you run the Google Form module alone, you need to
Mm-hmm.
remap those things, right? So
I
once you,
understand.
yeah,
I understand. Yes, I
yeah.
understand.
So
Okay, and
that, mm,
I didn't manage to. I don't know why to create connection with Dropbox, but
yeah.
my so here the aim is to receive a link for the picture of the child. Yeah.
Yes, so what happened means we were collecting the data from Monday using Monday CRM. So that will not provide the link of the child photo. So if Google Form is providing the link, then you don't need Dropbox. So that is like Dropbox or Google Drive you can use. You
Mhm.
just need to upload the child photo that comes from Monday, and we were getting the link, share link to put in the Google slide. But you need to really look whether the Google form gives the link. If it directly gives the link, then you don't need Dropbox or Google Drive. It is just to generate a link. If we have
I
that public
understand.
link, it
I
is.
understand. Okay, and the second question for now, yeah, will be um, here your assistant, yes. So when I put my API key, yeah, and create a link to my account of OpenAI, I see here your
Yeah,
assistant.
that is our assistant. Yeah, that.
Our assistant. So will it be working? Yeah, in
Got
my
it.
account or
I
not?
think I have missed out to share the assistant. I think maybe Shirin, can you share after the call, right? Or tomorrow morning itself, the assistant what we prepared. So basically, it's nothing. Like I can show you, I can share my screen, what assistant we have created. So let me open OpenAI just a second. Yeah. So I think, yeah, you are confused on that assistant side, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah, because I see it. I see your name of assistant, but can I use it in my account? Or I
It will
think
not work actually. You need to replicate to.
Once you select the column, it will be automatically removed.
Yeah, once you select that field,
Mm.
just a second.
Yeah, because assistant is necessary, yes, for this. Otherwise, it's maybe it has no
Exactly.
sense. Yeah,
Second.
I know how to create assistants,
Yeah,
but
but I'll just show you like it's a
I
simple.
think I need prompt or if there are any functions too. Yeah.
Got it, got it. Yeah, so I'm just sharing my screen.
Mhm.
So if you see my screen,
Mhm.
second. So we just made a simple assistant. You are the world's best story generator for
Mhm.
millions of young readers, creating personalized magical stories that entertain and provide deep meaning. So just we said that you are a story generator with creating
Mhm.
child's personal trait interest. Then story length condition we provided for each page. And then we mentioned about how the first name, age, some conditions. So I think maybe we missed out to put this
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
landing location in the AI automation hub. So we'll
And
share this screenshot.
model. Okay,
Yeah.
for all model. Yeah,
Yes,
because I
yes.
think mini model will not be so good for this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. So that will update and yeah, we'll message you as well. That's a great catch. I think many did not try. That's what. So this is a valuable, even today we were discussing with even India customer. They are looking to generate storybook in India. So this is a very good valuable thing, but like there are only few people trying out.
Mm.
Yeah. So once you try, that would be a great thing. So we will update the assistant details as well in the AI automation hub
Yeah.
class. Yeah.
And the last question
Yeah.
for now for this, yes, will be here. For example, I can create, let's say, okay, is it my account? Yes, yeah, my.
Yeah.
So can I create here, for example, a module? If, for example, not to prepare form, yeah, or I need ready form, for example, basic trigger, yes, and add items, yes. For
Yeah,
example,
that
I
is
can.
also possible. Yeah.
Yes, I can prepare that one. Yes, for example, just for testing. Yes, all these
Yes,
things.
yes, yes, that is
Maybe
possible.
later I may use the form I need. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
so in that case, what I suggest you, like you can prepare, like I'll just give you an example. So give me
Mhm.
control. So
Mhm.
that's a great thing. So basically, if you come, just so
Okay.
instead of this, I would prefer. So this is a basic trigger.
Uh-huh.
Instead of this, so this cannot be connected anywhere. But my
Ah,
suggestion is go with like set multiple variable. This
ah.
one.
Mhm.
And the advantage is when you use this and you
Mhm.
remove this module,
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Mhm.
yeah. So now you map everything in this condition. Yeah. So once you are ready with a Google form, you don't need to change any mapping from set variable.
Okay.
You will just connect to this and only change in this module.
Mm-hmm.
Understood, right? So otherwise you need to change everywhere when you change Google
Yeah,
form.
yeah, yeah.
So refer all the variables from this module. So that will be fixed. You got my point, right?
And can you also put with together with prompt all the questions? Yes.
Yes.
The list of questions. Okay. You use in the form. Okay.
Yes. So I'm saying that all the detail like child name, everything you can put here and then map from the set multiple variables here based on the set multiple variables. So all the mapping is based on this, yeah, without Google form. So it will be without Google form. Now, once you tested everything is fine, you connect Google form, you connect the same module, you change only in this set multiple. You don't have to change anywhere in scenario. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. Anything
Well,
else?
yes. Okay. And the last question will be about make. You see here, there are two kind of. Just a second.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. There are two kind of. In Make, there's a Academy of Make. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Make partners. Yes.
Yeah.
There are is it different things? Yes, different courses, because here the only video and where I can get certificate, not badges, but certificates. Certificates I
Yes.
can think here. Yes, if I do Make partners. Yes.
So as I said, if you want to get job or leads from Make, you have to go through this partner training. And whatever you learn in Make Academy, the same thing you go through this. So it is better to go with partner training. So once you complete level 1, you will get level 2. So until I think level 4, and then there is a final assessment problem. That is little bit tricky. If you follow properly Make training plus the training I provide, definitely you can solve it easily. So once you complete that advanced training, you will get into that partnership agreement. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because if we will teach people, okay, Make, so I think it will be necessary, because when I'm passing academy, I can pass quiz many times. Yes, and
Yes.
because
So those
for me,
those who want to learn only, you give Make Academy. Those who want to become partner or you alone want to become partner, you enroll to this.
yeah. Maybe first I make academy, do Make academy. Yes. And then when I do the same foundation, for example, level, okay, it will be easy for me. Yes, because I don't think they will allow here to pass many times as much as possible this quiz. Yeah.
Yeah. No, they allow until we pass.
Allow here too. Yeah.
Yes. The only thing is in that I think Sharon, it was level 4, right? Level 4 or the advanced one, right?
Level 4, sir.
Yeah.
For me, it's better to do a project than to do this theory. You see, that's sometimes when I see the questions, so I understand, yes, but I could make more mistakes because sometimes it's better to do very hard project, you know.
Yeah. In level 4, I believe there's an assessment, so which they all completed, engineers. So there we have to email the solution and Make engineer will review your answer.
Okay.
So that is one thing, yeah.
Okay, great. Yes.
Yeah, and another advantage, right? So what happened means if you check maybe in your country or whoever, right? Maybe in India there are only 3 people, or from Spain there are 2 people, or Camin is there in the meeting. So different parts of the country, if you filter out the partners, there will be only 1 or 2. So if you enroll it, it will be it's a great chance for you to get a lot of tasks from Make.com. Yeah, because because
problem.
people will go to the partner directory, and like some people doesn't know English, so they prefer their own language or their own country, right? So they filter it out by country, language, and then there's a huge chance for you or whoever as a partner to get into that lead, right? Lead.
Yeah, because I understand leads. Yes, maybe for me, I need. They have here, I guess. Yeah, make trainer. Yeah,
Mhm.
this one. It means that I think it's a certificate where I can.
Yes,
I'm like a make trainer, and I can show it to people that I'm certified trainer, and then it will
exactly.
be more respect for me. Yeah, more how to say, not respect, but when you people.
It's like a badge or giving you a uplift to showcase to anyone, right? Or they ask what is your expertise. You can say you are certified from such a super platform, right?
Certified, yes. I'm certified, yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
building authority, like.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, building authority. That is very important. So, just to share that, see, when we get customers from US or Europe, some people say, "Hey, you are Jahar, you are from India. Why is your price so high? What's the reason? Why is your price high?"
Mhm.
People are there in Bangladesh or Pakistan or India still doing for $5, $10. Why can't you do that? So this is some question we used to face. Every
Mhm.
month, a lot of people used to face. So what we show our make account, our solution, we show our badges. Almost, we are platinum partner of Make, we are Boost Page partner, we have custom app certified partnership. So all the badges we show and we ask them, go to the directory, you see our name in top. Or at least they can filter by country. They see our country, based on the country we are there. So then they cannot tell anything. They cannot tell $5, $10, because the difference is we are authorized people when we are listed there instead of just in a freelancing platform. It is not bad to go with freelancing, fine. But if we are listed in a top website, that gives more authority.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Anything else, Alexander?
Yeah, maybe also 2 minutes. I'll show you what I made this week. Yeah,
Yeah, sure, sure.
with projects. Yes, it's
Yeah.
okay. We have
So I think Akram is saying hi in chat. Surely will come across, yeah, across each one.
yeah. Can you see it? Yes.
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Okay. I made a how to say
Is it like
automation
I think
where, for example, we have a conference. Yes,
yeah.
something like Neuro AI conference. Yes, and
Okay.
they have, let's say, in Telegram. Yes, because here we have Telegram is very popular. Community is in Telegram. Yeah, and so the conference starts on 21st. Okay, so in the next week, yes, next Thursday, 21st of November. So we have some speakers, yes, on the conference. Yeah,
Okay.
it's in Russian, but anyway, I'll explain. Yeah, some speakers, yes, who we have a schedule of the conference, yes, and different speakers, yes, will be saying about different things like me too here. Yes, I'm.
Super.
Yeah, I have a how to say. Okay, my topic is neuro. How to say when you have television? Yes, this how in English. No.
Player controller,
Controller,
remote
yeah.
control.
So AI controller, how to change the house, yeah, house, yes, of AI different tools, yes, automatic conveyor of generation contact generation, yes, for any kind of like you can generate contact to different media resource. Yeah, understand how
Got it.
to yeah may change this chaos. Yes, from understand me. And
Got it.
I prepared. For example, I had some kind of
Slide.
here Google Docs. Yes, how it
Okay.
works. And here I put information about the speaker. Here it's topic, and here's the prompt to Cloudy, yes, Sonnet, yes, a song, yes, about this topic, yes, and we'll be preparing the
Speech.
starting this 1 week before the conference starts. Yes, every day will be sent three songs. Yes, in Suno. Yeah, from Suno about the speaker. Yeah, no, and so something like.
Oh, okay. So short details about the speaker, how they are.
Yeah, and it
Got
will
it.
be like a song, you know. Yes, a song.
Okay.
Yes, like this song from Suno. Yes, and it will be like
Yeah,
this.
we are aware of Suno,
from-
right? It
yeah,
creates
this
music, right? To generate music, yeah.
Yes, music about the topic of the speaker. Yeah, something like this. And when the conference will be, I made also some kind of automation. There will be jokes. Yes, it will be the same speaker. Yes, and his topic. Yes, and I made such a person. Yeah, who
Awesome.
she's saying okay, she creates a jokes, yes, and then with 11 labs we create audio, yes, and then with Hedra, yes, API create like this one, you see. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, that's why that's very funny. And during the conference, it will be some jokes about the speakers.
This is great. This is great thing you are doing, right? And very innovative or creative, I would say. The right word is something very creative. Yeah. That's
good. Okay.
So when is the conference, Nairo, going to happen?
In 1 week, yeah. In 1 week.
In 1 week. Yeah, all the best. Yeah. Hope everything goes well. And that's also a great thing, like to showcase yourself. And as you said, you're going to do make training. Like we know people in US, all those people who do make training and making huge revenue. So this is something like to showcase wherever you can, right? Who you are, and you are a specialist in AI and no code automation, right?
Oh,
Okay. Let's move. Yeah, Pankaj, you have any questions?
Yes, sir. I have
So
one.
maybe you can, I'm not sure if you can turn on your video, but if not, fine. You can give an overall, we see a lot of intros again, but still if you can give an intro again, that would be great.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I have one automation. I am unable to do that. So should I share the screen?
Yeah, sure. Share your screen. Yeah.
Ah, yes. Are you visible?
Yeah.
Yes, sorry. Just a minute.
So is this related to WAPI?
Related to API.
Okay.
I have one AI assistant, voice assistant, but
Okay.
I'm unable to map all the WAPI documents to that.
To make scenario, you mean?
In Make scenario.
Okay. Is it inbound or outbound?
Outbound. This is all the things where I'm getting wrong. I'm not getting. Should I trigger this?
Can you show me exactly what is the issue? I mean, what variable you are missing there?
Here is the problem in calendar.
Okay. Okay.
Just a minute.
So can you show me? Okay, better if you don't mind, just trigger it. Let me see.
Hello, Pankaj. This is Anvi from AI Era Apps and AI Automation Agency. How can I assist you?
Yeah, I want to know more about AI automation.
AI automation is all about using artificial intelligence to automate repetitive tasks, saving time and resources. It can be used for things like automating customer service, data entry, and even marketing activities. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about AI automation for your business?
Sure, we can schedule an appointment for you. Let's start by checking the current date and time. Could you let me know your preferred date and time for the appointment?
On 16th of November, 2:30 p.m.
I'm sorry, but it seems like there's an issue with the time you mentioned. Could you please provide a different time for the appointment?
You suggest me what time I should book that appointment.
Thank you for contacting me. Have a great day.
This is the issue.
Okay, so this scenario should trigger only when the booking, right? Only for the booking or checking the availability, right?
Yeah.
But you can see that the scenario triggered at the beginning of the call itself.
Yeah, that is the problem.
Okay, so maybe you have to update the tool description, right? You
Okay.
can go to WAPI, the issue at WAPI end as well. There is a tool that is used to trigger this scenario. Okay, so the tool description, you have to properly mention at what time this tool should be triggered. I mean, this scenario should be triggered.
Okay.
Okay, so you can go to WAPI settings. Yeah, take that assistant functions. Yep, which tool you have used? Okay, calendar appointment. Okay, okay, you can go to tools in the left side. Open it, please. Yeah, this is the same URL, right?
Yeah.
Can you just confirm it by opening in Make? What's the ending?
Yes,
Scroll it, please. What is at the end? Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's IXI, okay? Please go back.
This
Okay,
one.
fine. Okay, so come down, please. Appointment by user. Okay, so basically, what you have to do, you have to change the tool description first. Okay, tool almost correct, but you have to make it correct, update it. Like either we can do one thing in this approach. One tool we can create to check availability.
Yeah.
Clear? Yeah. So there will be two tools. The first one to check availability. So the description should be something like check availability on the calendar when they're not audible. Hello?
Yeah. Hello.
I missed your son. What you said?
I have created that one, but not integrated with Make.com.
Okay, that is good approach actually. Initially, when they say some time for booking, trigger that tool. Okay, so in the parameter also you have to pass the date in the proper format. Here you can see in the parameter side, I couldn't see any. Can you open that? Can you open the parameter? Not here. There only. WAPI only. Please open in WAPI. Yeah. Come down. Yes. Okay. There, can you expand that calendar booking? Come down here. Calendar booking. Yes. Just above you have, yes. Okay, so basically, book appointments by user. Basically, in the properties, we have to mention properly the parameters actually. I mean, for example, if when we check the availability on a calendar, we have to pass uh, the date from the user, right? That date and time we need to check on the calendar, right?
Okay.
So basically, the tool name should be there, tool description should be there, and in the same priority, there should be the parameter as well. Here, I think the parameter is empty, right? Yeah, so the parameter should be specifically mentioned a date. This is the preferred date from the user to check availability. That should be the description for the parameter.
Okay.
So I think that's the point you are missing. And I think the first one, you can split the scenario. Now I think there is, you are checking the availability in the scenario and the booking also doing in the same scenario, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So for more precise output, quality output, better you split the scenario into two. The first one to check availability, and if the preferred date is not available, give some suggestions. Using ChatGPT, you can list all the available slots and you can pick the closest of the preferred date,
Okay.
2 or 3, and send back to WebP, and the WebP will tell the user the requested date or time is not available. So you have the 3 closest suggestions, you can pick one, right? So whenever they pick one, again, we will get the, again, it will check, of course, it check the calendar and it will get a response that it is available. At that time, the other tool should run to book available, to book the calendar. That is the correct approach. This is possible only in the same scenario, we can do both, but for to reduce the errors, better deal separately. And make sure the tools and parameters are there. In each stage that we need parameters, right? So make sure enough parameters are there for each tools.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I will do that.
Yeah.
So thank you, Fazil. So I think this has been explained in detail in one of our last video, right? Recording. Was that covered, Fazil?
It's actually in the video, I think the detail, this much details is not there, but of course you will get an idea by watching that video.
Okay, so maybe here, Shirin, we can note down this as well. So maybe we can add this point, a brief on how the parameter is added tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
So by tomorrow morning, we can share, add extra note into our current recording as an extra note and share to Pankaj as well. So it is easy for him to set up. So Pankaj, we will add a Loom video on how this has to be set up, at least in that parameter name. So it is easy for you to follow. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else, Pankaj? You have any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so that's a great try. So as you know, like last week itself or this week, we are almost closing 2 to 3 deals on Vapi. So one is on a credit card department, like they are solving or working with credit card related businesses. So they try to sort out all the charges for the credit card involved businesses. So we have a lot of examples, and today also we got a new deal again on Vapi. So we'll be sharing these details in the community so that you can see a lot of examples, right? And you can again implement in your country or even outside US, Europe, etc. Right? So that's a great opportunity, and definitely Shirin can share you more extra notes.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to Akram. Akram, how are you?
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Yeah, how are you doing? Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Where are you located?
I'm in Canada right now.
Okay, you are in Canada. Okay, how everything is going on?
Everything is fine. So I just started up a new company which is in healthcare, and I was wondering what I can do with Make.
Okay, okay. So you started on healthcare, right? So is it like what kind of service you are offering in healthcare?
So basically, our agency provide the staffing for the seniors. Those
Okay.
people in need, those people, those seniors in need of any kind of services, we provide them the staff and then we service them.
So it's
So
something like you have we have worked with one similar thing is something like long back we did for one it's known as one medical recruitment. So there is a vacancy and there is a candidate pool. So it's something like you are matching both kind of.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So yes.
We
So
have the requirements from the clients,
mm,
and then we have a pool of candidates, and then we hire the candidates and let them go to service these clients.
got it. Got it. Got it. So in that case, yeah, we were using a lot of like Zoho platform. Then we were using campaign module to deal with campaigns pushing through, right? So we were doing that, and right now we have done to that extent like we can even scrap jobs from LinkedIn. So recently we were scrapping the jobs from LinkedIn using Rapid API with listed professionals, what country, state, and that is something we have already set up. So if you need that, definitely we can
So
upload.
right now, since I'm just starting up, I'm looking to find somebody who is from the industry, and I mean, I'm looking for a manager to hire.
Absolutely, I got it. So
I don't know
again,
if in this case this system could work and then find me something.
exactly. Like you should definitely map out your business process. That's very important because like we dealt with recently with Alak HR solution. That's one of our customer. So
Okay.
they are involving in the same thing. Like they hired a VA in Asian area. They are from US, and the VA opens his laptop every morning, take his cup of tea. That's the narrative he says. Then he starts scrapping like manually each LinkedIn job. It just goes through each LinkedIn post, see if it is matching, then put in Google Sheet, then go to manually to that hiring manager, put his name, then get more details about the hiring manager. Like it's like 8 hour job, which we have automated and changed to 1 hour. Because
Hmm.
using the Rapid API, we could do this same process. So we achieved this. It will just get the LinkedIn job, filter it out
There is
by
no
size of
risk
the.
of account suspension in this case.
Come again?
I'm asking there's no risk of account suspension in this case because since you
No,
are
there is no
fast.
account even shared here. It's like we are using an API, which
Okay.
is of a subscription. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's something will be, yeah, definitely let us know your process map. And also like in the onboarding form, like in the onboarding module, the first module in our classroom, we have updated this. Like I'll just share my screen quickly. We have a update there. Not sure, like we mentioned that as well. So I'll share my screen. So guys, like maybe this is very helpful for many of you. Yeah, Pankaj, this would be great. So I have like we have mentioned that in the pinned post. So we given some description, say hello to community, and we given a form for personalized support. So if you could take some days, make training or understand automation. So basic thing is it's not about more learning. It's all about understanding systems. So once
Yeah.
you understand the system, fill out this form. So Pankaj, you are in VAPI and like we are listed as expert partner of VAPI. So we can help you the best. So you fill out your problem. Akram, you fill out your problem. So we can take a couple
Yeah,
of
this
days
is
and
also one solution. I mean, I was listening to what Pankaj had to share, and this is also one solution we would be looking forward for our agency because when we start reaching out people, so many calls will come in, and then I
absolutely.
need I need somebody to take those inbound calls, and I'm thinking to automate this. If it could
Absolutely. So
be,
Pankaj, you have, I think, a customer here itself, right? Maybe if you're dealing with VAPI. So I'm
yeah.
just giving the item, right? So if you see this form, so this is something like we are looking forward. So once you are like 6 days or whatever days you are here, just put out your goals, expectations. So we can also have some brainstorming and how we can help you, right?
I actually opened this form. It is asking for the make account.
Definitely.
It doesn't ask anything, like it's a public form. See here.
I'm not sure. Maybe I opened some other form and it was asking for the make account ID or all those specific things.
We
and
just
then-
ask how skilled are you in Make? So it's same as BoostSpace. That's one question here, but otherwise AI agency, freelancer, business owner. So we just want to understand who you are well, rather than just an intro in the community, and how we can help you, right? You
Right.
know, like if you specify your process map here, we have a dedicated 10 engineers on the floor to help you all. They are working in real with US and Europe customer across all domains. See,
Mhm.
when they are working live with these businesses, they can definitely help you, right? So
Yeah,
that's
of
why
course.
we are here, right? So please check out these things. That will be great. Yeah.
Yeah,
So any
because all
other,
my life I did this business processes, so I am well versed with all those things. Instead, I mean, I thought that I should try to learn and automate these things.
absolutely, absolutely. That's a great move. Yeah. Like this is a golden era, I would say, on AI automation, no code. If we are taking the right step now, then
Yeah.
this is a boom, right? We don't know where AI is going. Like as Pankaj is doing this AI voice, that's what we are also doing. Like people think when we say AI voice, it's something like we call bank. Press one, press two, press three. But this is ultimate game changer, Alexander. You would have like you can also try for your country, like actual office. It will imitate the office background. It will
Yeah.
imitate that noise, little bit noise, saying that there is a busy crowd there or call center kind of, and then we can make these calls. So this
Yeah.
is something beautiful, yeah. And this
It's
is
not
going to,
easily identifiable. Not
yes,
many
yes,
people would be able to
yes,
identify
and this is
until or
going to
unless.
get matured more and more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else, Akram? You have any
Yeah,
other
yeah, I
question?
want to know, like I have the BoostSpace account I told you before, and
Yeah.
I got this account from a friend who had it before, and this one is like 800 million operations
So
per month.
800 million operation per month or per year?
Per month.
Per month. Okay, that's awesome, right? You are getting that. So you don't have to pay anything, right?
No, I already paid one time.
You are lucky. So this is something we go behind BoostSpace. Like, see, actually, as you know, we are BoostSpace partners. Still, we cannot get this because this was something they have listed in AppSumo. So there was BoostSpace, Active Pieces. These are a couple of software where they gave millions and crores
So
of
I just wanted to understand
operations.
like how many operations like would be required to do something. I actually want to build something within the health industry to help other entrepreneurs within my space. I mean, I'm doing it for myself, and then I would once build it, would also like to sell and offer my services to the
Yeah.
other people.
So
Same
if you
industry.
are, as I said, like the LinkedIn job scrapping, for an example, I'm giving an example. So we were scrapping the LinkedIn jobs, putting to Google Sheet, then scrapping more lead information, hiring manager information from Apollo. So doing
Yeah.
so and so things, it was costing 20,000 to 30,000 operation. So you
Mhm.
are saying 800 million something, right? Or
Yeah.
how much?
Yeah.
That is enough and enough for like to start a big setup, right? And distribute across people. So it's
Yeah.
more than enough.
More than enough to even to monetize when I offer my
Absolutely,
service.
absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, you can build systems and like at the front end, you can showcase something. At the back end, it will consume the operations in BoostSpace and it doesn't get consumed, I believe. It will be more than enough.
Yeah, he have one more account, so I was thinking that I should get that one as well.
So I'm not sure they're not putting more LTD lifetime things in
No,
AppSumo no more.
it's an old account.
Yeah, so that's something you can try out. Yeah, you can still contact them. They will give some offer. So
Who?
how many of you know BoostSpace? Alexander, you know BoostSpace? Pankaj? No, then I think Akram, you should share them, right? So BoostSpace is again make has provided their space or their application to another software BoostSpace where they have something like data storage as well, like a database. So database plus make is equal to BoostSpace.
So I think it is a combination of Airtable and Make.
Exactly, exactly. So those who have BoostSpace doesn't want to go to Monday or Airtable or Google Sheet. They can store everything in BoostSpace itself.
Yeah.
And they call Make as integrator in BoostSpace. And this is also something you guys can check it out if you are. So what like since we are Make certified, and they say that, okay, go and learn make.com to use BoostSpace because it's exactly same. There is no difference.
So, but you mentioned somewhere that the blueprints are same, but something else you mentioned is not same.
Yeah,
What?
so what happened means, custom apps. We are giving some apps in our platform. So some of
Okay.
the apps are like YouTube, LinkedIn. So few apps we have already made compatible with BoostSpace. It's something same only, but we cannot install using the same link in BoostSpace. We have to
I
copy.
there needs to be a module from BoostSpace to get it running in their system.
So right now, what we are doing, we are just copy pasting our extra modules. So we are giving bonus apps, right? LinkedIn app, YouTube advanced app. So we are giving these apps, and like we are getting almost 5-10 purchases in couple of days externally. For $69, we are selling LinkedIn advanced app, and we are getting 10 purchases in last 3-4 days. And this app has extra features like carousel, posting carousels, poll post, multi-image post in LinkedIn, which Make or Integrator does not have. So
Yeah.
we are providing here exclusively free. Those who have taken the school subscription. So couple of people said, okay, like there was Yasmin in the community. So she is a BoostSpace user. So
Okay.
she has requested, and then we just copied the code to BoostSpace as well, and then made compatible. So definitely, Akram, if
How I mean, you are saying that Make and Integrator don't have that carousel posting capacity, and then you built out something which could do it. I
so
mean, what extra or something special you did with that so that it was capable? I mean, became capable.
It's not about the capacity, it's about the priority and the plans, right? So Make is a global platform, or Integrator is a global platform. They have 1,000 plus apps, and now they have a lot of feature requests, almost 100 200 feature requests. So their focus is not there. So we focus on a larger scale, okay, on specific things like social media automation. So we build it. So they can also build it, but they don't have
So
plan
that
right
means
now.
the system infrastructure is there.
Yeah,
You
system
just
is there, but they don't have plan right now to do that.
So that is not the ready-made something which you can just plug and play.
Ah,
Instead, you need to make it yourself. That is what you did.
exactly. So what happened means we have to contact LinkedIn developer portal. We have to build a developer app. Then we get permission for usage. We get the scope approved. Then we build the app in Make. Building an app in Make is little bit complicated, which takes almost 3 weeks of time, and approval another 1 week, almost 1 month testing. All the efforts will take, and then we are giving to the community. So for school
Understood.
members, we are giving for free. Yeah.
Understand. Understand. Nice initiative, and it was very nice to meet all of you.
Absolutely.
I hope we'll keep.
Definitely, yeah. You guys can share knowledge, right? Like I'm just giving an example. Think of this community where you all have different knowledges, right? And
Yeah.
see, no one is going to eat our money. I'm just giving an example. There is
Yeah, it's a lot
enough
of
and
work
enough in
outside.
ocean.
Yeah.
It's like an
Yes.
ocean. So
Yes.
say Alexander needs an help on Vapi. He can post a question here or ask Pankaj or me, right? Or Shirin. So it's a collaborative community so that you all can grow. So that's how
Yeah.
we should take this community as.
Mhm.
Yeah. Anything else,
Yeah.
Akram?
No, that's it. That's everything.
Okay. Any other question? Kamin. Okay. I think Kamin has left, I believe. Yeah. So, okay. Anything else, guys? So we were actually planning for a scenario to demo, but there were a lot of questions. Do we have time to cover? Maybe a few more
Just have,
minutes.
I think, yeah, another 8 to 10 minutes to do this.
So yeah, so maybe I'll just cover a small bit of scenario. Yeah, small detail. So that would be, I'm not going to in detail because we need a little bit of time to explain. So are you all ready to go to a scenario, and I can showcase a live building? Are you all okay?
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
all right. So let me open the scenario. So I'm not going to showcase the entire thing because we have less time, but I wish to do that because I always wish to do and come to the weekly Q&A, but then I see there is a lot of questions, right? And then we cannot do. Let me open quickly. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how we can extract details from an email. Say we have some details like name, email, topic, or we can say lead information. Suppose lead information comes in email in a definite format. Again, I repeat, if it comes in a same format, we can identify by subject and extract it using regular expression. We call it as regular expression. So there are two ways. One is regular expression. Second is using OpenAI. You know, like AI is like so intelligent. So I'm going to showcase by regular expression, so you don't have to use OpenAI credits or put card, because when you use OpenAI, there are two costing. One is OpenAI credit costing, second is make operation or integrator operation. But when you use regular expression, there is only one cost, right? The operation side I'm talking about. Is it clear? So this is a Gmail module. You can see we have connected a Gmail connection, and Gmail connection is little bit tricky. So it's a bit tricky. If you are not aware of that, use the online help. Yeah. So once you know the online help, you can simply go to add and add the connection. So here you need to know if you are using paid account of Gmail, you can simply sign. But if you are using a non-paid account, like free account, like many of us are using free Gmail account, but we are using paid Outlook account. So those who are using free account, they have to use client ID and secret, and there is a setup mentioned here clearly in online help. So go through that. Yeah. So I'm not going in detail to the connection. So I'm talking about reading the email. So once you have the email, like suppose you are getting email from ABC company, lead information from ABC company. So you can put their email address and filter it out. Just filter it out by some subject, and then just right click, choose where to start and select the last email under this condition. So you can see that you will get some email. Say I'm selecting one email and just run this module only. I get an output. Yeah. So feel free to ask any questions. So we get an HTML content. Yeah. So I just want to show how the content is there. So this is the test content. This is the HTML content. So to check the HTML, there is a website, word2html.net, word2html.net. So if you paste the HTML, you can see this is the email content. Dear team, please find below details of recent delivery made by Arun. Customer name, John Doe, product name, delivery date, location, and there is an invoice. Say we want to extract these details. Yeah, like who delivered, what is the customer name, what is the product name, delivery date, and location. So to do that, as I said, we are going to use regular expression. So to play with the regular expression, you can note down this website. There is a website regex1.com. You can learn regular expression from this regex1. This is very useful. Yeah, maybe you spend like couple of hours, just like 2-3 hours in your weekend, so you can learn. Okay, that is on regex1. But coming back, so we have this test, and from test we need to extract name of the person who delivered, John Doe, product name, delivery date, and location. Is this problem statement is clear to all? What we need to extract? Yeah, suppose you need to push this to a Google Sheet or CRM or Monday.com or HubSpot. You need this as a variable output. You cannot map this entire test, right? Suppose you connect a set variable. I'm just giving an example. And you cannot map it. Why? It's a test content. You cannot map individual item, right? Location, name, right? So we have to extract it. Is the problem clear to all? What is the problem? Okay. Now the idea is just copy the test content, go to website. This is a special website, regex101.com. Clearly, just check it out. It's regex101.com. Earlier one was regex1 to learn it. Regex101 is to test it. Yeah. So once you reach regex 101, select ECMA JavaScript. Don't worry about these things. It's very simple. I'm going to showcase you very simple one. ECMA JavaScript and paste the content. This is the content. Yeah. Now from the content, I need to extract Arun, customer name, product name, etc. So how we can do? Just copy the constant part. This is always constant. I said it's a definite email, like non-changing format. So copy this here in the regular expression. And yeah, maybe just before the name. So I'm copying this and then putting a bracket, what to capture. I'm going to capture inside the bracket. And I'm just putting dot star. So dot star means capture all the characters that comes after this statement. Clear? So I'm capturing with dot star and something comes after new line. See this? So I just put a /n. So that means it goes to new line, right? /n. If I put again a /n, it will go to the second line. So now I copy this entirely and just mention here, right? So you can see I got star. Star is a character which is not identified as a generic asterisk key. So you need to put a backslash. And to all the star, you need to put a backslash. So it is identifiable till here. Now you need to capture John Doe. Again, you put a bracket, dot star. So you are going to capture, see here, match. If you scroll down, Arun, John Doe. Is this clear something what I'm doing here? So first I'm capturing using bracket, dot star. This is known as regular expression. And for new line, I am putting /n, and star is an expression already. So to differentiate between this star and the expression, I need to put a backslash. So backslash
I
star.
have one question here.
Yeah.
So suppose instead of name, this is some random answer, which could be long or short. So the lines would be different in this case. Like right now you are defining 2 lines.
Yeah, so that's what I said. If this is coming as a fixed format, we will go with this method, right? If it's a fixed format. But if this is so dynamic,
Even if it is a fixed format, the answer could be long or short.
no. If
you
the
are
answer is
informing-
long, see here, this will be capturing even in the next line. That's not a problem.
Okay, even if the answer is long, then the line doesn't matter.
Yeah, say if it is by Arun, I'm putting my name, right?
Yeah.
So it will be capturing. See? It
Doesn't matter even if it is going to the next line.
No, doesn't matter. Yeah. So it's not going to the next line. So again, the indentation of this kind of, say, Just Dial, or there are a lot of platform, they always give the solution in same format, but the answers can be like bigger, right? And we can capture it. Fine. There is no issue.
Okay.
Yeah. So now again, I put /n. So it will go again to next line, /n. And then I put product name. See here. So I just copy the product name and I put backslash to the star. And then I capture again with a bracket inside dot star. See here. So I'm capturing product name. So in this way, we can capture all these answers. So I'll just copy this. I'm not doing the entire part, copying this part. And I can see here, I put some condition like by default global multi-line. I come back here and then there is a module known as match pattern. See, I will use this, paste the pattern here, input the test here, the test content. And now I just try to run again, choose where to start, select the first email. And run this. Let's see how it comes. See here, Arun, John, and whatever the second question, right? The question product name has been extracted. Now, if you go and connect anywhere, any location, you can map it easily. See, So this is the power of regular expression. Any questions so far? Alexander, you have any question? All right, I'll give you another idea. So there is another idea. Like if you find any identifier, say we have something like match elements. I'm using match elements. Yeah. And you want to identify by email or like key value pair. So we have a key value pair. What's a key value pair? It's a colon separator is a right key value kind of. So we can provide here a delimiter, that is the colon, and then we can provide the test here. See here. And now I'm just deleting. This is another method. Just I'm running. So it will automatically identify the colon and separate it. Let's try this. See here, key value in pairs, in bundles, it has extracted. So because match elements has a power to
So
match by
this
email
is coming in the
automatically.
array.
Yeah.
The answers were displayed in the array.
It's displayed in bundles, different bundles. Each bundle will process separately. So we have match key value under one collection.
Okay.
Yeah. So what will happen is the logic behind is here make at the backend itself, they have coded the regex, regular expression. So they have match for email, HTTP address, some web links, phone number. So you can use this as well. So finally, once you have the data, then we can map to your whatever, right? The CRM or HubSpot or any location you want to do. Yeah. So that's all about. I just want to cover in few minutes. Actually, we thought to explain more like uploading the attachment, checking the duplicates, but the time is very limited. Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
No, that's a clear.
Yes.
Okay, just go through and
okay.
again, feel free to ask questions, right? Just cues us in the community, right? We want that interactions, cueing us, asking questions, right? So then only our engineers will be like fully productive, right? So as I said, those 10 engineers needs to work like an engine and they have the whole logic to help you, right? So try your level best. Don't hesitate to ask questions, right? And again, there are a lot of posts we are putting and there are a lot of posts others share. Spend at least 30 minutes. I'm not saying that you spend all the time, but at least 30 minutes to go through some of the posts which you might miss where we share some valuable tips and tricks. Yeah. So that's very important. All right. So we'll catch up again in the next week. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you, Shirin, Alexander, Fasil, Akram. Yeah. Pankaj. Yeah. Great to meet you. We'll again be in touch. Yeah.
Sure.
All right. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Have a great day. Yeah.